Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. So I am working on freshly washed damp hair. I'm going to start by sectioning out my hair into 3 different sections, and I'm going to start with the back area first since it is the darkest color. The first color I'm going to start with is Magenta by Kiss, and I'm just going to add it to the back portion of my hair and just squeeze it into my locks. So now I'm just going to add a shower cap to section off this area so it doesn't blend with the rest of my locks as I color the rest of my hair. Now I'm going to use the next color, which is Crimson by Adore, and I'm going to use that color from my midsection. So I'm just going to start to add it to those locks in the middle. I try to make sure I saturate the strands of my lock as good as possible. That way the color does take. So now I'm just going to take another shower cap and section off the red section. And now I'm moving to the next color, which is Raspberry Prism. And I'm just going to add that to my front bang section. And when I added it to the front section, I'm like, wow, that looks very similar to the crimson color. So I did go and get some soft lavender by Adore, which I already had in my stash. And I decided to just add it to this section to try to keep the color not so similar to the crimson, if that makes sense. So I decided to add the soft lavender and mix it in with the Raspberry Prism. So now I'm just going to section off my bang area, and I did leave the color on for about 20 minutes. Alright, so here are the results of my color, and this is giving, I don't know, it's giving vampy to me, and it's actually more vibrant than I expected it to be. I knew I was going for like a berry type of reddish color, but I wasn't expecting it to be so vibrant like this, and it's still giving me that fall look that I've been having with the copper and the ginger colors, but now it's on a more of a red tone, and I actually love it. I was a little hesitant of the the raspberry. As you can see, I had added the lavender color to it because I thought it was gonna be too dark and blend in with the red, but it gave it just a subtle brightness in the front. It was not too much, but you can tell the variation from the front half to the back, of course, to my darker half back here. And of course the back, I feel like it still looks pretty much the same as the tone I had it before, even though I used the Magenta color, but maybe in the sun it may give a different type of hue. But overall, I'm very happy with my new color, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.